ready, man. Stop playing with these niggas.
Big, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be installing the wig. I'm going to show you step by step how to install a wig, and this wig is from Ali Pearl Hair. And y'all, I took it out the box and I noticed that it was pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and it was pre-styled, meaning it was already curled, so I didn't have to do much to the wig. I'm also going to show you guys how to do bombshell curls at the end and how to layer your face frames. So we're going to start with my braids. I'm going to tell you how I slick my edges back so that I don't pull out my edges. We also have an HD wig cap which came in the box. And I'm going to show you what products I exactly use, which are these two products here. And this is what I'm going to use to slick my hair down.
When I'm with you, how can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Okay, next we're going to take our wig cap and we're going to place it on our head. Once you place the wig cap on your head correctly, like to how you want it to fit, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut your ear tabs out. And this is to ensure that the wig cap lays flat once you place the glue on the line.
It's this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here, I'm saying.
We're going to take some Got To Be spray and we're going to spray that over the whole cap, and this is to give it an extra hold.
How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you fronting on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me and I'm the main one crying? Just trying to be your way with you, main one crying. Are you fronting on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me?
Next, we're going to get our wig, and as you can see, y'all, this is a full frontal wig, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. So once I put the wig on, it looks like all I need to do is cut the lace, but I'm going to show you what to do next.
How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment?
Okay, so this part is very important. So when you have a wig that goes past your ear line, you're going to part the hair out, and then we're going to cut out our ear tabs to ensure that the wig lays smoothly on your head and fits to your exact head shape. Every wig you get is not going to be perfect, so sometimes you have to adjust them.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my.
Okay, so I like to cut my lace into sections to help me place the lace down when I'm actually doing my install. This is just going to help me. I also put a red dot to ensure that I place my lace right back where I wanted it to be. So you do not have to do this step. That's just something that I do to help me personally. So you can take any type of marker, pen, eyeliner, anything, and place it on your head dot wise.
Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait.
This step is very important. Make sure you take your comb and you press your lace into the glue once it's placed correctly. And then this is the cleanup process, like the little pieces that I did not get when I first glued the wig down. And this is going to help make sure that you don't have any pieces missing glue.
Spiritual, I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pim Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me.
So this is how my lace looks after I cut some of it the first time, and that white cast that you see, we're going to get rid of that with the Got To Be spray. A lot of these steps are repeat steps until we get to the end.
Yeah, so much to live for, true, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Okay, so right here, we're going to start pulling out our baby hairs and section them off from the rest of the hair, and just watch the steps as I go.
Can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO.
Next, you're going to take your pressing comb and you're going to press and comb the baby hairs down. This is to straighten them and make sure they stay away from the rest of the hairline as you continue to do the rest of your hair. You're going to see in the next steps exactly what you do afterwards. This is a secret melt spray by Eben that you guys should definitely get. And I don't spray it directly on the hairline. I kind of apply it on my fingers and then press it onto the lace. Sorry, my voice going out. Once you take off your melt band, this is how your wig should look. It looks like skin. Where's the lace? Okay. This step is pretty self-explanatory. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut our baby hairs, and we're going to take our baby flat irons and we're going to curl those baby hairs. You can curl them downward or upward, doesn't matter. Okay, and once I'm done, this is what my hair looks like. And now I'm finna get into how to get that perfect face framing look, bombshell curl look that you guys always see people doing. And first step you're gonna do is you're gonna take your wax stick and you're gonna slick back that hair that's in the front. And then of course we're gonna go to scissor work. Okay, it is very important that you pay attention to this. So I like to section off my front pieces of hair, and that's how I cut my layers. So you're going to cut at an angle completely downward, as you can see. And don't worry about if you're cutting too much hair, y'all. This is how I look when you cut in layers in your hair. Make sure you curl your hair into like 3 or 4 sections in the front. This is to ensure you have enough curls. And then once we're done, I'm going to show you how to comb them out and get that look that we're going for. Okay, y'all, you'll need a wide tooth comb. You take that wide tooth comb and you comb your hair back. And then you see how it kind of falls in your face once you comb it back. Combing the curls out, yes, but don't ever take a small tooth comb and do this because it will mess it up. And you kind of just put it into your face and it's going to give you that bang look up in the front. You just keep repeating the steps until you get the desired look that you want. But do not comb the curls out with anything other than a wide tooth comb. And you see on this right side, I had to cut a little bit more because I felt like, okay, it needed a little bit more layering. And then once I'm done, you're going to see that it's going to match up with the other side. Okay, so I'm taking it and I'm pressing combing some of the hairs back and cleaning up those little parts. And yes, you're going to see me jumping because that press to comb, y'all know when y'all do the press to comb with y'all head, you don't even be burning yourself, but it be the steam traveling through the wig that burn you. Open up your mind and just press. I'm about to let you know you made. Okay, and this is the final look, y'all, and I love how this came out. Keep in mind, this wig already came pre-plucked, pre-party, pre-curled, and I just kind of had to do some face formulators and re-curl the front. But if you guys want this wig comes ready to wear pretty much. All you have to do is put it on. Like, it came out so cute. And thank you, Ali Pearl. This wig also came from Ali Pearl. I mentioned that 1,000 times, but I cannot stress this enough. Go get you a wig from Ali Pearl, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you would like to see any more, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and let me know what you want to see. Goodbye.